Good day to all and welcome again to another one of my tutorials. Nigel is my name, and today I'll be demonstrating the installation of DHCP on Windows Server 2008. I have to aid in my demonstration for the clients Windows 7, Vista and XP along with the main server. So what's DHCP, you ask? Well, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol (DHCP) is a protocol for assigning dynamic IP addresses to devices on a network. With dynamic addressing, a device can have a different IP address every time it connects to the network. In some systems, the device's IP address can even change while it's still connected. DHCP also supports a mix of static and dynamic IP addresses. Nice, so let's begin. I have my server up. So let's open Server Manager, Start menu. And we go to roles, where we add a roles. Click Next. This time we select DHCP Server. And click Next. Here's some information concerning DHCP server that you could read on yourself. Next. The network has detected my IP address of the server itself. Next. Here's the parent domain, arenado.com. Preferred DNS server. So we're going to validate. And click Next. We'll leave this at the default. Click Next. Now you're going to add a scope. As it says here, the scope is a range of possible IP addresses for the network. So make sure you have enough addresses for the amount of clients that you're going to have on your server. So you're going to name the scope Scope 1. Start an IP address 192.168.0.10, and then IP 192.168.0.20. Subnet mask class C 255.255.255.0. My default gateway 192.168.0.1. Now, the subnet type essentially allows you to assign one of two least durations to the scope. By default, the scope is set to wired subnet, which configures a least duration of 6 days, and the alternative is wireless, where the least duration is 8 hours. So I'll stick with the defaults, wired duration of 6 days, and click OK. And then we continue. Click Next. We disable the DHCP version 6. Click Next. Here is specifying credentials to use for authorizing the DHCP server. So you click Next. So here's a summary of everything that I've selected for this DHCP server. Parent domain, IP address, default gateway, the range. Nice, so just click Install. Right, so the DHCP server has been installed. Close. As you can see here, the server role has been installed. So now we're going to go to the clients and change their IP addresses from static to dynamic. Regular the connection, properties, IP version 4 properties, change, okay. We're going to go to the Vista. properties, copy version 4, obtain IP address automatically, obtain DNS server automatically. We're going to go to the XP, status, properties, so we're going to check Windows 7 network. As you can see here, everything is in the green, or should I say in the blue in this case. So let's check the IP address. As you can see, the first address 192.168.0.10, default gateway 192.168.0.1, server, this is the server IP address, DNS also is the same. Let's check the Vista client. Everything is in the green now. View status, details. Okay, the IP address of the Vista client is 192.168.0.11, which is the next IP address in the range. Default gateway and the server IP. Close. Let's check the XP. Click supports. IP address is 192.168.0.13. Default gateway. Let's check details. The DNS server is server IP address. Right, everything is looking good on the XPN. So folks, this concludes my tutorial on the installation and configuration of DHCP. Nigel Dole is my name, and I'm out.